Well, hello, my darlings. Now I'm all set up again. I moved office, moved my room, moved to this area of the house, as you can see, another area. And I've set my desk up near a big window in front of me. Anyway, that's just a little bit about what I've been up to, which is why I haven't been on the air, because I've been moving here, doing some things because I wanted to utilise some other areas in the house for other things. And to do that, I needed to move office, move things. We all do that, don't we, darlings? We all do that. So first things first, thank you for being patient. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the videos. Certainly being patient when I've been a bit erratic with the timing on everything. Hopefully I'll have settled all that now, and that'll be, pardon me, sorted. I'm going to pull some cards out of the drawer while I'm talking to you, because today I'm going to do James Van Praag's cards. I haven't picked out any names, but we'll see what comes. We'll see. And but before I do that, I want to say thank you to those who input to buy me a coffee. Thank you to the people who support me, say wonderful things, and that's most of you. You all are absolutely brilliant. You just say lovely and wonderful things and support me, and I really, really appreciate you. Thank you, Mandy, for the card for Christmas, and which I don't know whether I have acknowledged, but yeah, a few things have been going on around me in my life, a bit challenging, but it's life, darlings, it's life. So, but I did want to get this video done today, and I better get on with it because I've got a fellow coming to fix the fridge. It's got an ice maker in it, and when you live in Australia, it's nice to have the ice in the fridge, the ice machine thing going, but it's gone on the blink. I don't know why. And so they're coming to take a look at that, fix that, hopefully. I did get some ice and stick it in the fridge. I'm digressing, I'm just rattling. And but I hope that's all right with all of you, that I rattle a bit. Been doing a bit of reading lately, running things. Now, save the date. Where is it? I've put it. Where did I put it? Save the date. Wednesday. Let me just check it. I'm going to check it on my phone because I've now forgotten, but I'm going to be doing a workshop on prosperity, the 4 spiritual laws of prosperity and success. And while I'm talking to you, I'm just going to have a look at that, what date that is, because it's American time, and it's the Wednesday, the 25th of February. And it'll be also the next week, which will be the 4th, because there's quite a bit in it and it'll run over 2 weeks. So save those dates if you're interested in being and joining that. There is a cost for it. It's $165 US for it for the 2 weeks. I just wanted you to save the date at the moment, because I've got a new website being built and calendars and all sorts of things being put into that. And so when that is up and running, which will be at least by the next video, which I'll be doing for the weekend, so only a few days, and I should have everything up and running so that you can go in and book for that if you wish. I am now going to be doing mediumship readings as well. They're going to be done physically for the moment at the little church I found that I think I mentioned and told you about. So I'm very excited about that as well. Lots going on, lots and lots and lots going on, a lot of busyness. Haven't quite finished with all this, the result of all this moving, but I will be. I will be. It'll be finished. She says, the intrepid decorator who loves decorating. Yes. How are you all? How are you going? Tell me about that in the link below. Let me know how you are, what you're doing, what's going on in your lives, what's happening wherever you live in the world, and certainly those of you in America. I'm not doing a reading on Trump or anything like that today. Absolutely not. I'm in over my head with all that. I cannot tolerate all that anymore. For the moment, anyway, I've got to give it a miss for the moment. Got to remember what I wanted to say to you, because I did want to not make this long. Now, oh, just I've been shuffling these cards, shuffling, and they're the Talking to Heaven cards by James Van Prague. These cards here, can you see them? Yep. So I'm going to be doing a reading from those. Lots of stuff coming for me lately. Lots of things going on. Yeah, lots. But anyway, that'll sort itself out, I'm sure it will, as life does. It's a Monday in Australia today. I get Monday-itis, I think. Some Mondays are, or most Mondays, are really strange days. They're all, how can I say it? They're all a bit, they can be all over the bloody place like a duck's dinner. Or I just, oh, yeah, they can be quite ratty unless I've got something specifically or somewhere specifically that I'm going, or something I'm doing particularly. Mondays can be this really strange, funny, day. Thinking about this area that I've moved to, which I absolutely love. I'm happy. I'm happy to have moved here. It's much, I had to. Lucky I had enough room for storage, but I had to pack up all my tchotchkes, all the small stuff, all my collectibles, heaps of stuff. I packed all that up in boxes, give it a holiday. Told it all when I was putting it into the big bins that I'm storing. I said to them that, I'm just sending you off on a little holiday, and next time I see you, it'll be like Christmas. Not Christmas, but it'll be like Christmas, I'm telling them. But I did keep me little rabbit. I've got this little rabbit. A very, very dear friend of mine, her daughter, makes these little things. Oh, isn't that beautiful? So I've kept that. He's sitting on the, I'm calling him he. He's sitting on the desk here. I haven't given him a name yet. Maybe I'll call him Felix or something. Don't know yet. Anyway, he's sitting on the desk. Now, okay, Settle Wallace, I want to do this for the next 5 or 10 minutes. Tell me if you relate. I want you to give me feedback on whether what I say here anybody can relate to. In a mediumship circle recently, I saw a young man, and it was interesting. One of the people on there, I think, for the most part, could relate. Things just happen, people just come. So we'll just open ourselves to what comes. Bless it, bless the reading, bless the people, bless them as they communicate with us, those who attempt to communicate. Those that want to try and bring through a message. Okay. Cards. A card. There you go. As a soul, I can be in several places at once. I love the unicorn. The unicorn is one of my favourite things. In my Soul Wisdom Oracle cards, I have a unicorn not dissimilar to this one. I love them because I love horses. And but I love this. And while I'm doing this, I'm looking at the back of the card and this stairway to heaven, reminding me that, you know, there is only a veil. They're not gone. They're not gone. And I think it's difficult for us to contemplate some of these things that are said, like being in several places at once. What does that mean? And I think for me it means that they can, you know, communicate on several levels. They can communicate in different ways. So what's coming? Okay. Okay, what I'm getting is the energies of a woman, a woman, a little bit older woman. Okay, yeah. She's laughing. She's very she's very outgoing. She's very when she was here on Earth, she was very what am I getting from her? She didn't take things too seriously. She was very open, very she didn't agree with everything, but she didn't get into the stuff around the fact that she didn't agree with everything, or there were things that she didn't agree with. So she was a very pleasant person to be around. Very, very pleasant to be around. She was uplifting and laughing and happy, and she was very, very happy. And it seems to me that what she's saying to me is she wasn't unhappy about passing either. She just said it was her time. It was her time to go. There was a lot of unhappiness around her, a lot of people very, very, was it sudden? It seemed like it was sudden. And there were a lot of people who were, you know, family and friends and people who were devastated by that. I'm going to use the word devastated. They were devastated by that. But she wants you to know that she was fine. She was fine with it. She was all good with it. She took it, she's telling me she took it in her stride like she did a lot of things. Didn't dwell on it. She wasn't uptight or upset about it, she's saying. She wants everybody to know, all those around, that were very surprised and upset, not to be, not to be. She's there. And interesting, the card, as a soul, I can be in several places at once. So what she's saying is she's there in beyond the veil, but she's also with all of you, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense to you. She wasn't a really, really young person. She was older, but she was also, there they go, naughties. It's probably my cue to be quiet now. You'll know who she is, whoever you are, if you're one of those people, and not to be, it's all okay. She's fine, she's saying. She wants you to be okay with it, because she's not gone. She's not gone. You don't have to think of her, she's there. You'll hear her laughter, you'll hear her. That's her. When you can bring her laughter to your mind, that's her. She's there. physically. She's there in another physical dimension. She's close to you. So if you can hear her laughter, she's there. Okay, all right. Okay, well, there's going to be a short video today. It's hopefully reasonably short. And I'm going to be talking to you again a bit later in the week. And thank you for listening. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being here. When you go, I go with you, and I do. And when I go, you go with me. So we're together. We're connected. We're there. And thank you for all of those who watch every week. My beautiful lady from South Africa, and Linda's musings, and Mandy, Christy, if you're on the air. I don't know if you're watching the videos or you're on the air, but thank you to you. And thank you to my lovely man in England. Thank you to all of you. You're all so wonderful, and I so appreciate you. So keep your comments coming, and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.